Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here one more time with another unboxing. For this video, we have our Macys Beauty Box subscription for the month of July. For once, I am gonna say I'm actually filming my videos as my boxes are coming in. I just hope I get to edit them and post them up as soon as I can. Usually I get a little sidetracked with the week and I don't set enough time to sit down and actually edit the video so I can get it up. So I will try really hard for this month to be the month that all my videos are current. So let's get into this one here. For those of you that don't know, this is a $15 a month subscription. We get, I think it's 4 to 5 or 5 to 6, one of the two, deluxe size sample, along with an extra one, usually a little perfume sample. You also get it in a little cosmetic beauty bag, and we also always get a coupon inside. Most of the times it's $5, but there are times where we do get a $10 coupon that you can use towards your next beauty purchase at Macys. So let's see what we have for this month. So this is our little bag for this month. It's actually different from what we normally get. It looks like it's just a mesh little baggie. It's see-through. You can see the little holes. And it's actually some really cute color combination. Along with that, we also have our little pamphlet here with our product information, along with our $5 coupon inside. So let's jump into our bag and see what we have inside. Again, we have our little pink tissue paper here that holds all of our things inside. So let's start with our first item here. It is from Philosophy, and it is the Renewed Hope in a Jar. This is what the outer packaging looks like, your typical Philosophy package. And it is the Peeling Mousse Instant Glow Facial. I'm not exactly sure how that works. And this is our little squeezy tube that holds our product. Let me put a little bit on my hand. Oh, okay, that's an interesting look. It is a bluish, gelish, moussey consistency. And oh, it feels like it has like little tiny particles of something, some little like very fine like pieces of sand maybe, but then the more you rub it, it dries up and it bunches up almost I don't know, this is different. I am actually excited to try this out. Doesn't really have much of a scent to it, but that's very interesting. I will for sure give that one a try. Our next one up here, it is from Clarins. It is the UV Plus Anti-Pollution. Okay, so I think this is a SPF because it does say broad spectrum SPF 50. It is non-tinted. Okay, yes, it is sunscreen with multi-protection. So let's see what it looks like inside. This is our little squeezy tube here, and it does have a little tip here. Once you take your lid off, that is what the tip looks like. If we put it on the skin, that's what it looks like. It is just like a white cream. Rub it in. Whoa, I think I used a little bit too much, but that's what it looks like. That's not completely rubbed in. It actually smells really, really nice. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It does look a little bit shiny still, but maybe because I haven't completely rubbed it in. It doesn't feel like your typical sunscreen though. I really, really like this one. I wonder if you can use it on your face, because I know a lot of people use sunscreen on their face before their moisturizer. So I don't know if this might be a little bit too oily for that. You know what though? I think this actually might be specifically for your face, because it does say that it is that it protects against free radicals and pollution. Usually that is for your face. So I'm gonna try this one out. It came in the perfect time. We are in like midsummer here in LA, so I will get a very good use out of this one. Our next item here, it is from Tarte. It is a mascara. It is the Lights Camera Splashes mascara. This one, I always thought that the packaging was kind of weird. It is, you have a tube, but then you have this edge all around, which I don't know. This is kind of weird. It is different, but I don't know where this necessarily came from. It's weird. Let's see what our little spoolie or little wand looks like. That is it there. Not too many bristles. They are pretty spread out within the little brush. And it is in the color black. So I will most likely pass this one on to somebody else so they can use the mascara. I don't typically try out the mascaras that we get in our boxes. Like I always mention, I have one that I always use that I love. And these don't typically work for me. So I would rather just pass them on to somebody that will get use from them from the beginning. Our next item here, it is from Too Faced. It is the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I have actually tried this one before because I got another sample in one of my boxes. And I know this one didn't really work with my skin. Anything that usually says that it's hydrating and moisturizing and those type of, make those type of promises don't really work with my skin because I am oily already. So these tend to add a lot of unnecessary oils and hydration to my skin that my skin just ends up being so greasy. So I am going to pass this on to somebody else because I already know I'm not going to use it, but let me show you guys what it looks like. This almost looks just like a moisturizer, but it is a primer. Once you rub it in, it does feel like it's hydrating your skin, which is good because it's doing its job. But it also gives your skin that like grip to hold on to the makeup. So if you are maybe somebody with dry skin, I think this one would actually work great for you. I would recommend you give it a try. It does give it a little bit of a tackiness. Our last item from the box, we have our bonus item left, but this is the last of our regular items that we get in our box. It is from Grande Lips, and it is the hydrating lip. It is the hydrating lip plumper. It says you get 90% fuller looking lips and 97% lips feel hydrated. So aside from plumping, it does hydrate. I want to say I have actually also tried this one as well, and I really like it. I really like this one. It doesn't make you feel like you applied a lot of like peppermint, or because usually that's what it feels like. That's what gives you the tingliness. But this one, if I remember correctly, you do feel a little bit of tingling in your lips, but not something that you can't handle. Usually it goes away within a few minutes, and your lips really do look pink. It gives it, since this is clear, it gives your lips like a nice rosy color, and it actually looks really nice. So I'm excited that we got another one because I think I ran out of the one that I had because I really did use it all the time. And you can smell like that minty, like more of a peppermint vanilla scent. So you can smell what gives your lips the plumpiness. And it also smells good with the like vanilla scent. So I really like this one. Our final item from our box, it is our bonus item, which is our little perfume sample like we most of the time get, and it is from Moschino, and it is a perfume, I believe it's called Toy 2. If you were to purchase the regular size bottle, that's what it would look like. It looks like a little tiny teddy bear, which looks so cute. Let me see if I can smell it. I'm gonna spray it here on my hand to see what it smells like. Oh, this smells very clean and like refreshing, but very fruity. So let me see. So the family for this perfume, it is the floral, woody, and musk family. It does have magnolia, white currant, jasmine petals, musk, Granny Smith, apple, mandarin, peony, sandalwood, and amberwoods. This one I really like. I feel like this would be a perfume that you can spray on in the morning right after you shower, and you just feel like refreshed throughout the whole day. So those are all of the products in our box. This box wasn't such a huge hit for me. I did get some repeating products from previous boxes, which were our Too Faced primer here and the Grande lips, but I was actually excited to get this one here, the Grande lips. This one, I am curious to see what it does and how it works on my skin. And I am also excited to have this sunscreen here because, like I said, we are in the middle of summer and it is always recommended to wear sunscreen to avoid premature aging and all those kinds of things. And I also really liked our little perfume sample here. And I might actually go and purchase a full-size bottle. I don't know. I have to see about that one. But again, those are the products here. Let me know what you guys think down below. Remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I hope I will see you all next time. Bye.